The Earth is 4.5 billion years old. But humans? We've only been here for a blink of an eye. So how did our planet begin? Let's rewind to the very start of Earth's story. Around 4.5 billion years ago, dust and rock swirled around our young sun. These fragments collided again and again until a fiery ball formed, the early Earth. But it wasn't calm. Massive asteroids bombarded the surface, shaping our world. One collision changed everything. A Mars-sized object called Theia slammed into Earth. The debris eventually formed our moon, the same moon that lights up our skies today. Oceans appear as Earth cooled. Rain poured for millions of years. Water collected into oceans, creating the stage for something incredible. Life, the first life. In those oceans, simple microscopic organisms appeared. They were tiny, but they would eventually evolve into every plant, animal, and human that ever lived. For billions of years, Earth's air was poisonous, but tiny organisms began producing oxygen. Slowly, the atmosphere transformed, making complex life possible. Life expands. About 540 million years ago, life exploded in variety. Sea creatures filled the oceans. Evolution was speeding up, and the journey toward humans had begun. From fire and chaos to oceans and life, Earth's beginning was truly epic. But before humans arrived, our planet was ruled by giants. In the next episode, we'll meet the dinosaurs and uncover the mystery of their extinction.